All right, members, you guys gain first exclusive access to this video. Thank you guys so much for the support. Let's get right into it. The YouTube portfolio is at all-time highs, 118,000 right now. As you can see, year to date, we are up 7% on the year. When you compare that to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is trailing by 7%. So we're doing well in that aspect. Our big top and bottom movers, UNH, I've been accumulating. I want to show you that as well. I bought some Alibaba as well. Let's go into the specifics to take a look. And I want to show you Google stock. This is a company that I think is going to explode in the next 2 to 3 months. All right, so take a look here. Alibaba, I ordered another $500 to $600 worth. It's 1.75%. My goal is to make this about 3 to 3.5% asset allocation of the account. It's currently at $1,700 invested, a cost base of $91. I like this $100 price point. I'm going to continue to buy anything under $107. Going to continue buying that. FSPGX, it's still loading because I have margin and I have cash. Every time I buy every single Monday, that's $750. What happens is it merges once a month into this position. So you can see there's a lot more shares here. So I have at least almost $60,000 invested in FSPGX, which makes up 60% of the allocation of this portfolio. And that is my goal, to maintain that growth. We're doubling down on that growth because, as you see with Google, we have $12,000 invested, 11.44% allocation right now. I plan to make this a 15% allocation. I believe, I'm going to show you on the charts, Google is poised to go to 200 in the next 2 to 3 months. You'll take a look at that chart in a little bit. Home Depot, I like the dividends on these guys. I earn a 2.5% dividend on them. I plan to continue building this position, a max of 6%. And then Microsoft, this is a big mover right now. I wish I bought more. I have $3,700 invested at $357 cost basis, up 40%, up $1,500. That's an excellent play right there. We're up 150 points on that. Then you also have Nike stock. I've been waiting for this guy to finally mature a little bit. We're going to try to get this up to 4%. A cost base is $69. So pretty flat on the year, only up 4%. Starbucks up 6%, collecting that nice divvy in the meantime, holding that. That's fine. Tesla stock, very volatile. We have 6%. I want to get this up to a 10% allocation, but I need Tesla to come down to like 230s, 240s to add more. So we'll continue on that. The next one, United Healthcare, I want this up to 5%. I've been buying more and more. Look at this, $3,000 invested at a cost basis of $301. We are up about 0.87% at the time of this recording. We have a total of 118,000. And if it was counting FSPGX, this would be up over $18,000 to $20,000 on the year. It's just because it is absorbing it. Let's take a moment to look at Google stock. We called this out around 140. We've been buying ever since. We got the cost base around 160. It is testing these highs right here. And I just want to show you something that sometimes you don't see unless you trade a lot, but you obviously have this pattern that's been following like this. But what I'm focusing on is right here is your wedge. And your wedge is starting to break out. So you can see right here is the wedge that Google is trading within. So I'm going to highlight this just so you can have a better look. Right in this range, there is a wedge. And what we're looking for now is for this breakout of 180 to move to $200 per share. And the next retest after it breaks 180 is going to be at this 190 level. Now, what do you have that's the catalyst? We have earnings in 12 days. That is going to be the catalyst where I think propels us. And I made this call out on Google when it was at 140, saying Google stock will be $200 by the end of the year. It is very possible that we get good earnings and then we get a blast straight up to the moon. And by moon, I mean $200 per share is what I am looking for with this. Taking a quick look at the Gemini crypto portfolio, just in the last week, this has really started to grow here. Went from 3.4 thousand all the way up to 4.4 thousand. Now loading up on XRP is starting to pay off. We have a total of $2,300 invested, 55% of the allocation. ETH at 32%, $1,300 invested. And then we have a little bit in AMP, Bitcoin, and Shibu. Right now, Bitcoin trading at 115,000. is a little too much for my liking. XRP, I have a cost basis of $2, and it is paying off right now. Look at this in the last day. It went all the way up to $3, sold off to 2.7. Been buying these dips when it's down here around $2.20 in the last week, in the last month, and now it's starting to pay off. I'm going to continue buying XRP. I really like these guys long term. And the other one that I like is Ethereum, ETH. My goal is to, I'm not selling them, but I'm looking for a move back to $5,000 per share. And we have a cost basis of ETH at 2,100 right now. So we're definitely very comfortable. I feel like I'm in the driver's seat, continuing to buy any dips that are below 1,700. And we'll just continue to watch and see where this goes.